How's it going, folks? Thank you for choosing Beamer PhD. My name is Joseph, the technician working on this vehicle. Today we're working on a 2017 BMW 330i, and the customer concern was that the audio system had stopped working and there was like a humming noise coming from the speakers. So in California it had just rained like very hard for the past 2 to 3 days, and we are suspecting that it's water damage with the audio system, because in a lot of BMWs, the amplifiers for the sound system are stored away or hidden behind some panels in the trunk. So, and before we go to the water test, which we'll do in a second, I did want to show you guys this area of the trunk. So this is the back of the car. As we go inside the trunk, we've removed some panels. This is where the amplifier and BMW active sound modules are stored. These would be said modules. If we look at them, they're covered in water and corrosion and calcium deposits from the water. We can see that water has gone all over this module. That connector there looks like it's dried up since, but you can see, especially in here, there's corrosion on that connector. This is the amplifier for the sound system. You can see on the opposite end of that connector, we've also got corrosion. This goes into the body harness and it plugs into this amplifier module. Now, you see some wetness right there. Wetness right there. We traced the water spots up and up and up to see where it might be coming from. Say, hey, that looks weird. And we see this right here. Looks like to be a spot where water's coming in. So right now I'm going to turn off the light on the camera and I'm going to shine in some light from the outside, like so. Now I've got a light. I'm going to shine it from the outside of the vehicle, which is going to be in the taillight area. Keep your eyes on that corner. See that right there? That's my flashlight hitting the red housing of the taillight. So we can see that there is an opening. There's an opening in the body panels from the outside of the vehicle. Now that would be in this area right here. That's where the water's coming in. And we noticed that there was also a bunch of rivets and what appears to be non-factory panels. It looks like this car was in a collision and a body shop had done work to it. As you can see, the black panels are mismatched. Let me turn the light right here. The black panels are mismatched from the factory panels, which are these ones. You can see rivet, 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 and some silicone or body sealer. If you go to the other side of the vehicle, you can indeed see that these panels are factory. They're all painted the same color, same primer. No rivets, but spot welds. So this is the factory side. Bring it over to the driver's side, which is an aftermarket repair. So it appears at this time that whoever did the repair on this side of the vehicle with new panels did not seal it properly, hence the water getting inside and dripping down into the storage area for the modules. Now I'm going to climb inside the vehicle, close the trunk, and we're going to have my assistant perform a water test by spraying that area of the vehicle. We'll be right back. Now we're going to go ahead and close the trunk. Go for it. Now I'm in the trunk. And we're going to see if this water comes in. Oh yeah. There you have it, folks. Water coming in. And this would be very representative during a rainstorm, as we did have in California for the past 2 days in the last weeks of February in 2023. Yep, you can see it right there. Water. Yep, just, oh, that's a lot of water. So it'll just make its way down all the way back there. And I'm still here in the truck. Oops. Yeah, and that's how the water, oh, there it is. The water just made its way down into this area here. So I'm getting wet again. I'm getting wet actually. All right, good. That's what the vehicle looks like after we water tested it. And this is our issue. So it's recommended at this time, if body work was done to it on this owner should take the vehicle back to the body shop to get this issue resolved. As this is an incomplete repair, as water is getting into the chassis, into the vehicle cabin space through the taillight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.